Was a boy named Fred. Fred was a unique kind of boy. He was weak and unhappy, and always beside the teacher. When other kids played during recess, Fred would probably be standing close by her side, watching the other kids play. Fred must have been in pain, judging from the sadness in his eyes. Thanksgiving Day was approaching. Thanksgiving is an opportunity to give thanks for all the good things God has given us. Teacher gave the kids of the first grade class the enjoyable task of drawing a picture of something which they were grateful. Even though the majority of the class would be seen as economically poor, most of them celebrated this day by getting together with family, eating turkey and other seasonal treats. The teacher predicted that the kids would draw something like turkey, food, sweets, treats, and most of the kids drew just as the teacher thought. Fred, although, created a different kind of picture. The picture he drew was in fact different. He drew a hand when he was asked to depict something for which he was grateful, just an empty hand. The classmates were curious to know whose hand is that. Since farms produce turkeys, one child said that it was a farmer's hand. Another advised it is the hand of a police officer, since police officers look out for and protect people. The conversation continued. When the teacher saw this picture, she asked him whose hand it was. The little boy looked away and muttered, "It's yours, teacher." The teacher recalled the times she had held his hand and gone on short walks with him, just like she had done with other students. How often had she said, "Take my hand, Fred, we'll go outside," or "Let me show you how to hold your pencil." Fred was most thankful and extremely appreciative of his teacher's hand. The teacher shed a tear as she was touched by the act of this little boy. Teachers play a very important role in a child's life. This story speaks of how these little kind acts of the teacher made a big difference in the child's life. Kids may not always say thanks, but they'll always remember the hand that reaches out. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart.